In today's video, I'm going to teach you to turn off voice guidance on Xfinity. If your TV has started reading every menu out loud and you'd like a quieter experience, I'll walk you through a few quick ways to turn that feature off. Voice guidance is an accessibility tool designed to help you navigate by speaking on-screen text, but when you don't need it, disabling it should take just a moment. Let's start with the fastest route using the B button on your Xfinity remote. The B button is the one marked with a square icon. Press it once to open the accessibility options overlay on your screen. From there, highlight voice guidance and press OK on your remote to switch it off. You should notice the talking stops right away. If the menu doesn't appear immediately, give it a second and make sure your remote has a clear line to the TV box. If you prefer using your voice, you can also turn it off with the voice control button. That's the microphone button near the top of most Xfinity remotes. Press and hold it, then clearly say voice guidance. This voice command takes you straight to the voice guidance setting. Once the screen opens, use the arrow keys to highlight the option to disable voice guidance and press OK. This method is handy if navigating menus with the spoken prompts is a bit overwhelming. There's one more simple path that takes you right into the broader accessibility settings. Press the A button on your remote, the one with the triangle icon. This opens the accessibility menu. Inside, look for voice guidance, select it, and press OK to turn it off. This menu also houses other helpful features, but today you only need the voice guidance toggle. After you complete any of these options, the narration should stop and your menus will return to silent navigation. If you ever want to turn voice guidance back on, repeat the same process with the method you like best and toggle it to enable. Keep in mind that on some boxes or software versions, the screens may look a little different, but the names and icons are consistent enough that you'll recognize them. That's all there is to it. You've now turned off voice guidance on your Xfinity device quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to a smoother, quieter browsing experience.